Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Bretman's Rocks collection. Okay, so we have the Lit palette, the Wet palette, the Wet lip bundle with She Cute Kumquat BFF3, Glitterly Obsessed, which is a body glitter, and then a blush which is Super Shock Cheek. So the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. I already started. I'm going to use Wet from Eagle Beach right here. And now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. These are the two palettes. And I'm gonna take whatever in this, it's this tan shade right here. Okay, so now we're gonna take Cleo Amore in this yellow. Okay, so I just cut my crease and I'm gonna go in with this Hello Hello I'm Crying blue. And I'm gonna go in the corner with Mood, which is the dark blue. And I'm gonna take the She Got Money and put that in the eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my regular makeup and then I'll come back to do the cheek and the rest of the look. Okay, so now that we have the foundation and concealer on, we're going to go in with this cheek blush. Really orange. So I just barely rubbed it and it looked like it wasn't even on my brush at all. And then when I put it on, it was there. So let me just, it's kind of like an orangey pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lips. The kit I got was the Wet kit, and then I got the Lit palette. So you have the Ultra Satin Lip, the Ultra Glossy Lip, and then a lip liner. Okay, so I like the satin lip and the lip liner, but this lip gloss, I like it, but this, it's supposed to be like a little brush and it's like stiff. And another thing I got was this body glitter. And I'm going to do my highlight on top of that glitter. I'm going to use Becca in Opal. I'm going to put on some Marc Jacobs mascara. So this is the final look. I really loved everything. So I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches. So we're going to do Wet first, do the first row and then the bottom. So the first one is Finished. That's in white. Next is I'm Chillin'. Next is LOL I'm Crying, which is what I have on. Being a Legend, which is the nude. Is the first row. And the white, you can't see it really on my skin tone, but it's there. And it's kind of like a bluish white. So next is Mood. Fishy, Thickums, this one is very soft, and then Ewa Beach. So these are the colors from the Wet palette, and now we'll do the Lit. So first is a pink nude. Next is Mercy, which is very bright. Next is Macchiato. And then Cleo Amore, which is a yellow. Very pretty. And then the bottom row, She Got Money. Period. like. That one is probably my favorite. It's really pretty. Batting, which is a really light pink. And so those are the colors for the Lit palette. So overall, I think this whole line is really good, though I think the best thing, I mean, they're all really good, so I really couldn't pick the best thing. I think my least favorite is probably the blush, but even the blush is still very good. It looks really good on. I think it's just a little soft, but I mean, it's really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified. Thanks, guys.